Hello and welcome to this YouTube lesson, Introduction and Channel Management. My name is Jeff and I'm the founder of Wonks. I'd like to thank my team for configuring this YouTube channel, for allowing us to be able to complete this video lesson today. Wonks are proud to support all businesses to better understand their online data. You can visit webwonks.co.nz for more information, and you can check out our website by going to www.webwonks.co.nz, and you can see a series of solutions that we offer to clients. Right, let's get started. So I'm going to presume that you already have a YouTube channel when you are going through the introduction and channel management tutorial. If you don't, you may need to get in touch with Wonks directly. You may want to create one for yourself. You may want to ask who has access to your one if you know one exists and don't have access to it. But regardless, we're going to continue on and start by looking at the first key point, which is how to craft a professional looking channel. So the channel in question that you see on screen is the Wonks channel. This is what an audience will see when they come to our channel, and it is representative of our brand, and we have worked hard to ensure that it looks good, looks professional, and increasingly has good content on it. So the thing we want you to most take away from a professional looking channel is that it relates back to your brand in multiple instances, that it has good logos, and you emphasize the total picture. So to do that, you need to have a cover, you need to have a logo, a title, and ideally a good series of videos. So the cover that we have is the latest of a series of covers. So you can update your cover by going to channel art. There's a gallery, there's photos that we have uploaded in the past, and of course you can select a new image to upload yourself. There is a little link here to show you how to create channel art, because it does need to conform to a standard, so you can go through and see what that looks like. The same is true of the picture, the logo. Now this will actually take you to another section of Google, your Google account. So this takes the logo from the Google account. So it's gone to my account, and you can change that there. So I'm just going to drop back because I'm happy with that logo. Now, I've also got Wonks hosted, featured in the first video. It speaks to Wonks here. I actually have a Wonks iconography, if you call it that, on my wall in my office. So you can see I've recorded a couple of videos there. Overall, it's a good representation of our brand. So if I click through the videos, I can see all the videos that are in the channel. I can sort that by most popular, and when I do, I'll see that we have a Google AdWords billing tutorial from 7 years ago that's had 17,000 views. Now that is a direct relationship to the 91 subscribers that we have. Now, though that video was created 7 years ago and is terribly out of date, and I probably sound terrible on it too, it still imparted a great deal of value to the people that watched it. And that in turn led to people informing themselves, posting comments, liking the video, and ultimately subscribing. So even though the content was produced a long time ago, I still have people now, when posting new videos, such as our animated ad that we have at the moment up, who immediately then liked it and engaged with it, which is going to share it organically out with more people on Google. More people that see it, the more people that share it, the more people that watch it, the better off you're going to be. Playlists have been curated, and I will show you how to do that in a moment, to display a very old and more basic layout as we develop our channel with the lessons that we are offering to our clients. You will see that those playlists will become more defined across all of the modules that we have. Channels with which we're not connected, discussions with which we are not having, and then an about section. And there we can see that we joined on the 2nd of November 2011. We've had 48,000 views. Bit of a description about us. You can see the email address that you get when inquiring, and it goes to our sales team. And then we've just got the one link. So to edit the look and feel of the site, if I click back on home, I can see I want to go to the customization of the channel. And here, for returning users and new users, I can add featured content. So featured content is a video that best represents your business, makes you look good. Ideally, it's a brand focused video, maybe not necessarily a how-to video. So you can click on featured content and then you can select a video. So I'm going to select our ad. I'm not going to add a headline, I'll let that speak for itself. And so now I have some featured content for returning users. I'll click save, and for new users, I already have the video, Doctors for Your Data, we are set up for remote work. So that's a little bit about how I set up my features. If I go back to the home, feature video, should I say? If I view it, sorry, as a new user. What I see is how a new user will see it. If I click back and view it as a returning user, again, I see it in a different style, different structure. It doesn't start the autoplay. So total videos, again, go to videos and customize the channel. And in here, I can see that not only do I have public channels, but I also have unlisted channels and, sorry, not just videos, I have unlisted videos and I might have private videos as well. So not all videos I want to be seen because it might have been outdated. As you can see with this particular video, I probably uploaded it several times and then configured it after making edits. So I don't want the two older versions up. Playlists are easy to set up. So if you click on new playlist and you give it a title, so let's imagine I'm going to give it this title, and I'm just going to make that introduction and channel management YouTube, and I'll create that playlist. Now, when I have added this or uploaded this video, which you will be able to see in a separate video, separate lesson, just make sure that there's a space there. I will upload the video to this particular channel. I can add a description that'll go with it, which will say YouTube training, YouTube modules, YouTube lessons, so on and so forth. So I can decide whether or not that's public, unlisted, or private. For now, I'm just going to make that private. And I can also change some settings, delete the playlist, and then when I get to the point of having uploaded this video, add the video. So I jump back. As I said before, with channels, you can add channels that may be featured. We don't have that feature. Discussion, again, we don't use that feature. It's where you add your channels. We don't have social media really at all. You can add comments to our videos, and of course, you can email us, so you can change the business inquiry recipient here. You can edit all of the channel information or the about section here, and also you can change the location that you operate out of and any further links. So historically, we've had our social links in here as well, where it's linked through to Facebook or Twitter or a Google Plus page. Now we just have our website, and that keeps the channel looking nice and clean. If I go to the cog, what we can see here is a few more pieces of information. So you can change out your privacy settings. You can customize the layout of your channel. We can also access some advanced settings. So if I do so, we can see that we can change the name of the channel. We can update channel keywords. We have interest-based ads disabled, and that speaks to being a publisher. So if you're producing a lot of content, you may wish to advertise on top of it and make money through YouTube. We want to keep our brand looking professional and will not have ads on top of our videos. We've got our AdWords account linked to this particular YouTube channel so that we can advertise our videos, our main brand ads we have on radio and YouTube. We can have an associated website, which we don't need. Do we want our channel to appear next to recommendations? Yes, we do. Do we want people to see the subscriber count? We are open and transparent, so absolutely. And then we can see our Google Analytics property ID, which is linked through to Analytics to give us further information. So that is the basics of the introduction to the channel, YouTube channel, and some basic management and housekeeping that you should complete. I've ended up in the studio. I'll come back here in a moment. So I'm just going to go back to the channel and I'm going to show you what the channel looks like, and you can see where we've just gone through, updated the features that are publicly seen. There's also the YouTube Studio, which is really the engine of YouTube, and this is going to be covered off in separate videos. But I just wanted to show you, because this is what you get to see at the private level as to what's going on with your YouTube channel. You can see current subscribers, a summary of the last couple of days, months, views, hours, the top videos in general, analytics. You can actually get to all of that information on the left-hand navigation. So I do encourage you to update your channel management to best practice now. If you don't have access to a channel, get access to a channel, create your own channel, or if you run into trouble, get hold of us at Wonks and we will help you out. And once you have mastered the general nature of it, get into the studio, go and have a look at some more lessons and further your knowledge about how to increase the reach and frequency of your brand and the knowledge that you want to share with your key market. Thanks for watching.